I'm Dr. Michael Connolly, Superintendent of CCSD21, and I'd like to tell you about an upcoming building bond referendum on the ballot this November 6th for our school district. First, here's some background on how this effort came about. To prepare our students today to become the leaders of our tomorrow, District 21 initiated the Design 21 effort in early 2018. This included reach out to our community members through focus groups, community engagement sessions, and surveys to determine what our school district needs to provide the strongest and most comprehensive education for our young people. The overall message was very clear from the community. It was that District 21 should provide a safe, secure, and healthy learning environment for our children while supporting them as 21st century learners.
I think I can speak for most, if not all, parents in saying that I want my children to receive the best education possible. Safety and security while they are at school is one of the most basic needs in my mind and something I think about a lot. The proposal as part of this referendum is to move to a 3-point security check-in process at all of our school buildings by adding secure entry vestibules, ensuring that only those people who should enter the school will be able to enter, meaning a safer learning environment for all of our kids.
As a longtime District 21 resident and a former principal in District 21, I can tell you that one of the key components of a strong education is to provide an environment that is optimal and conducive to learning. Nearly half of all District 21 classrooms do not have air conditioning. We dealt with this issue while I was a principal. This can present a real focus issue for our children when temperatures in classrooms can get hot. This referendum seeks to ensure all classrooms are air conditioned by the start of the 2019 school year.
I've had 3 children go through District 21 schools. They're adults now. It's my understanding as a homeowner in District 21 that the referendum allows for improvement in security. So secure entry vestibules for the schools, installation of new cameras, also additional lighting on the outside for safer areas for the community to access. And District 21 also wants to make sure that all the schools are really well maintained.
6 of the 9 elementary schools do not have the capability to house full-day kindergarten presently. The referendum would make needed renovations possible, which would begin in 2020. In response to all of these recommendations, on August 9th, the District 21 Board of Education approved placing a $69 million building bond referendum question on the ballot to cover the costs of all of these efforts. The Board of Education and I are committed to being good stewards of your taxpayer dollars. In 2016, District 21 implemented a variety of cost-saving measures to ensure balanced budgets which meet our future operations, including the consolidation of positions, reduction of overtime expenses, and converting to a self-insured program for employees. These and other efforts resulted in $19 million in savings over the last 3 fiscal years. Despite these efforts, expenses continue to increase, as do our financial commitments to our students and to all of our buildings in District 21. We are now in the midst of preparing to meet these financial obligations, which include this upcoming referendum. So what is the financial impact on District 21 residents? The estimated annual impact will be an increase of $78 per year on a home valued at $300,000, which equals to roughly an extra $6.50 per month. We do understand that any tax increase is to be seriously contemplated and considered by you, the stakeholders of District 21. This video is designed to inform you on all of the information that you need to make an informed decision on November 6th.